All right, this is Jonathan. Today we're going to be working with packet tracer, creating a network, a small network. So first off, we're going to start off by putting two generic PCs down on the screen. So we'll go generic. We'll put one right there, and we'll put that's not one. I'll put one right there, and then we're gonna click hubs. We'll put a hub right there. All right. All right. Now we're gonna do connections. We're gonna click copper straight through. Whoops. All right. We're gonna click copper straight through from here. Fast Ethernet to the hub. Port 0. Now we're gonna click it again, and we're gonna go from PC1 Fast Ethernet to the hub. Port 1. Alright, that's that. Alright, now we're going to name these. We're going to click here and we're going to go to the configuration. Right here it's going to say PC0. We're going to go PC, we're going to name it PC, we're going to name it PCA. That's what we're going to name that one. Alright. Alright, now that one's called PCA, we're going to go over here, make sure the fast Ethernet's enabled, and okay, everything says okay, it's on, status. Alright, we're good there. Now we're going to go to the IP address for the and we're going to go 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask will already automatically be 255.255.255.0 automatically. Alright, now we're going to exit out of here, out of that. That's good. Now we're going to go to PC1. We're going to configure this one. This one's going to be PC. This one will be PCB. Alright. Select Fast Ethernet. Make sure the power's on. Okay, the power is on. Now this one we're going to go 192.168.1.2. Okay, the submask already automatically going to be there. So since that's good, we'll exit out of that now. Alright, now we're going to go real time by selecting this little stopwatch looking thing right here behind real time. It's the simulation tab. We're going to click that. Alright, after we click, alright, we're going to click over here, we're going to click edit filters, and we're going to click show all or none. Alright, then we're going to go up here, we'll click ARP, and then we'll check ICMP. And that's what we'll do there. Alright, now we're going to go over here, click a simple PDU. I think it's this one right here. Here, let's maximize this for a second. Yeah, right here, add simple PDU. Alright, we're going to click from this one to that one. Now down here it says in progress. This bar right here, you can move it back to the go slower, or you can move it here to go faster. You know, so this says in progress down here. We'll let that load up. Alright, we're gonna auto capture play this. Alright, notice the envelope's going to hub, then it's going to the PCB, back to the hub, and then back to the PC. Basic information sending, say you send a message to your friend, it's going to go through here to get to the friend, then the friend's going to send it, it's going to go through the internet, go to the main, then go to the PC, back to your person you're sending it to. Alright, down here notice it says that it was successful, so all the internet stuff is correct so far. Now, next off, we are going to go. Alright, now we're going to reset. We're going to go down here, we can click reset simulation. So everything's reset now. Alright, now we're going to do capture forward for the ICMP envelope. Alright, the ICP, notice how it went here and it stopped. Okay, it stopped. Now we'll capture forward again. Now it went to PCP B. Now it's at the PCPB. It's still in progress. Click forward again. Now it's back at the hub. Forward again. Now it's back at the PCA. That's basically like sending more than one thing, you could say. Now that was successful. All right. Next off we are. All right. Now we're gonna go down here. We're gonna select power. Reset it or configure it. Not in the start menu. Everything will be lost. Reset the network. We click yes. All right. So everything's reset on here. Now next off we are going to. Alright, now we're going to click the auto capture play button again. Now it did that. It's in progress still. See how it's going through to one file from here, then one file from here. There goes the other one. Now the PCB. Now back to the hub again. Back to PCA. Now we're just waiting to go for the other message. Okay. There's ICP to PCB. Back to the hub, and then back to PCA, and see it down here, and it says successful. Over here on the event list, it shows everything that I just did: the ICMPs, the ARPs, where they went, the devices they went to, where they came from. So, okay, now that we've done that, we're going to do. Alright, now we're going to use the magnifying glass. We're going to click right here on PCA. ARP table. Alright, this is the table. This is the IP address, the hardware address, and the interface. So the IP address is what we typed in earlier. This one's 1.2. And then hardware address, that's the address to the device. And then the fast Ethernet, that's the connection type, the speed. And you can do the same thing on this one, the table. Only difference on this one will be the hardware address and the IP address, which is 1.1. That's the only difference there. Now the hub, you can click on the hub with the magnifying glass. All it shows is the ports, what they're linked to, and what way. And that's that. Alright. Now we're going to go back over here, click the select tool, and we're going to go click on PCA. Click on, wait a minute. I think I got desktop, yeah. Okay, command prompt. We're going to go ARP space dash A, and we hit enter. And notice it shows the IP address, the physical address, and the type is dynamic. So that's the part to B. Or, I mean, this is the A. This is A. You can do the same thing for all of these, and it'll tell you just in the command prompt. You can use the software command prompt or your physical command prompt for your PC. So that's that. Alright, now we're going to go down here, we're going to click on this, and we'll check results. And it says, congratulations on completing this activity. So we just did that one, and it took us 17 minutes. Alright, thank you.